Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show aired weekly in New York City. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
Good day. My name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Registration, yes. President Trump wants everyone that came to this country without inspection that fits in certain categories to register. And registration has begun. And you have 30 days to register. Otherwise, it's a crime. Otherwise, there's a $5,000 fine. Why is President Trump instituting registration? It is very simple. Most of the people who come to America and overstay their time or come across the border are people of color. What does that mean? They're not white. What does Trump want? A white America. And is President Trump different from many presidents in the United States of America? Unfortunately, no. However, based on current immigration law, based on the U.S. Constitution, his registration process may be unconstitutional. And it's very cruel and inhumane treatment to people of color. We have an audio coming up after this presentation on what registration is and what is the consequences for those people who register or don't register. Again, my name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. So if you live in the United States of America, or you're listening to this show outside the United States of America, if you have a family member here, if you are in the U.S., call our office for a consultation on this issue or any other immigration issue that you may have. It is important that you make an informed and legal decision as to whether or not you should register. Additionally, the consequences, obviously, of that registration. If you do not register, what it means is that you're hoping that there's a Democratic president 4 years from now who may have an executive order, who may reverse registration retroactively. Yes. So, is there going to be a Democratic president in the future who would obviously deal with this issue in a manner in which they should, which is to reverse this executive order? Hence, the articles that we compiled in the audio for you to listen to or to read at our website, the law firm of Figueroa and Associates, at www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. We urge our clients, we urge in any area of law, we always want an educated client. We want people to make decisions based on not fear, but based on careful factual and legal analysis. It is what should be done at all times. People are in this country, most likely, if they are obviously facing political persecution in their home countries. Those are for those who are seeking political asylum, those who are coming across the border, whether through Mexico or Canada, without inspection, because they have an economic reality in their own countries where existence is almost non-existent. So people come to the United States of America for hundreds of years for economic reasons. They come here because they believe this country is the land of opportunity. They believe that they could start a business or get a job, work hard, and earn a decent standard of living. Now, whether those people are white or non-white, it should apply to everyone. Unfortunately, statistics show that in the year 2050, the majority will be a majority of minorities. So the number one majority would be South Asians, the second would be Latinos, and third but not least would be Black. Those three minorities together should make up more than 50% of the U.S. population. Now, as I tell you this on this show, this data is common to anyone with a little bit of intelligence that understand the population dynamics of the United States of America. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to understand that President Trump, who is against DEI, who is trying to shut down universities and other organizations who support DEI, is not a gentleman who really cares about people that are not white. In fact, DEI benefit mostly white women, so his policy also impact that group of people. So maybe his emphasis is just white males. Whatever his political analysis, whatever his rationale, obviously we beg to differ with it, both from a Christian religious point of view or from a moral point of view. And from a legal perspective, yes, he has the power, but it doesn't mean that if you have the power, you're going to oppress people. People are scared. Many people, like he wanted to impact, are thinking about leaving the United States of America. Some of them have to double think what they're doing because obviously the economics or political issues in their home countries. But these are everyday people, mothers, daughters, sons, fathers, cousins, nephews, nieces. And these people of color, when they come to the office for a consultation or any other type of legal representation, we obviously look at our people as our people. Yes. We give our clients, obviously, our bulletin so that they could read, understand, and share. You could go to our website to share that information also. We have articles, we have audios on registration. Our website for the law firm of Figure and Associates is www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. When you visit our website, you will see many, many articles that we have on different areas of law to educate our community. When we represent you, we want you to be an educated client making the right decision for yourself and your family. Whether it be wills, trusts, estate planning, whether it be immigration issues, whether it be bankruptcy and debt issues, whether it be real estate transactions or real estate development. We have numerous articles in our blogs that you could easily connect with at the law firm of Figueroa and Associates website. That website again is www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. Tell a friend, tell another friend, tell your family to share this information on registration and on the many different articles that we have that is very helpful to one's household. One of the biggest issues we have in New York City is people who lose their home, which is a huge financial investment, in foreclosure actions. There are remedies for that. There's a Chapter 7 bankruptcy and other issues that you could use, other legal issues, strategies that you could use to save your home from foreclosure. There are many predators in New York City that will want to take your property, your home, for free. This and many other issues we address. For example, the New York Times, one of the popular publications in New York City, said that white attorneys tell their non-white clients to do Chapter 13 bankruptcies rather than a Chapter 7 because they make more money, when the correct advice should be do a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. So prejudice, racism, comes in many forms, whether it be immigration, financial, or otherwise. I'm not your hero, I'm your lawyer. And I like informed clients, and I want you to share this information with others. We have to educate ourselves, we have to educate our communities, because the battle against people of color is as apple pie as America is. It started day one in this country when the settlers, white folks, genocide Native Americans. Again, my name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Please give us a call, visit our website at www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. And we end by saying, we belong in America like everyone else. Thank you.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.